Welcome students to the students of standard 10. Welcome you to this class. Students, we are studying about forest and wildlife resources. In previous class I have explained you about the biodiversity of India, and I have given you the reason for why India is rich in flora and fauna. Students, today we are going to discuss two things. The first, we are going to see the different species of flora and fauna, the different categories of flora and fauna, and we are going to discuss the reason for the depletion of the flora and fauna. So students, let's begin our class today. First of all, we are going to see the different categories of flora and fauna, different species of flora and fauna. So students, there are 7 species of flora and fauna. When I say flora and fauna, it includes both the animals and the plants. So the first species of animal and plant are the normal species. Students, this normal species, their population level are normal for their survival. So their number is normal and their population level is normal for their survival. That means simply that they are normally found in different part of the earth and their number is normal. But when we move to the second level, that is second types, that is vulnerable species of flora and fauna. So vulnerable species of flora and fauna, their number is decreasing rapidly. The first one is normal species, their level is normal and okay. But we are moving to the second number, and that is the vulnerable species. When we speak about the vulnerable species of plants and animals, their numbers are decreasing rapidly, and if not protected, very soon they will be in the endangered list. So they are the vulnerable species. Students, you can also have a look in your textbook, and different categories of flora and fauna is given, and their examples are also mentioned in your book, and so you can have a look in your textbook. Students, so when we speak about the vulnerable species of animals, their number is decreasing rapidly, and if they are not protected, they will be very soon in the endangered list. Their examples are vulnerable species. They are blue sheep, Gangetic dolphin, Asiatic elephant, and etc. These are the example of vulnerable species. Third is the endangered species of flora and fauna. Students, endangered species of flora and fauna, they are in the verge of extinction. Their number has decreased so much, and very soon, if they are not protected properly, they will be in the category of extinction. So these are the endangered species which are in danger. They are in danger of extinction. They need protection. If not protected, they will be extinct from the different part of the earth. The examples are black buck, crocodile, Indian wild ass, Indian rhino, etc. These are the example of animals. They are in the list of endangered species. So I hope you understood the normal species, the vulnerable species, and the third number is endangered species, and the fourth one is extinct species of animal. So you see, they are connected to each other. The first one is normal, their number is normal, their level is normal on the different part of the earth. But the second number is they are decreasing, their level is decreasing very rapidly, and very soon they will be in the endangered list. And the endangered, they have decreased so much that very soon, if not protected, they will be in the extinct list. And the extinct list, which are already finished from different part of the earth's surface. So they are extinct species of flora and fauna. They are no more found in areas where they are known to have existed. Students, you must understand, when I say about the extinct species of flora and fauna, they are extinct from the different part of the earth. We may not say that they are extinct from the whole earth, but sometimes we say they are extinct from the particular area where they were once found. They may be extinct from some area, they may be extinct from some countries, and sometimes they may be extinct from the whole earth. So you have to understand the meaning of extinction. The example is Asiatic cheetah. When I say about the Asiatic cheetah, and they are extinct from the continent of Asia. Then pink-head duck and mountain quail type of bird. So students, these are the different species of flora and fauna which are already distinct from different area, from different countries, from different continents, and sometimes from the whole earth. The moving to the fifth number, and that is the fifth species of animal, and that is endemic species. Students, when I say endemic species, that is they are found only in some particular area. They are limited to some particular area of the earth. They are not found everywhere because they are endemic. So they are only found in some particular area. Example, Andaman wild pig and teal and Nicobar pigeon, Mithun in Arunachal Pradesh. So these are the list of different animals which are endemic to particular area, means they are found only in some particular part of the earth. The sixth number is the rare species. Students, by the name itself you can understand rare species of animals, rare species of flora and fauna. They are very rare, their number is very less on this earth surface. So they are rarely seen, they are rarely found there. These include species with a small population. Their population is very small, they are very rare, very less found in the on the earth's surface. Example, Himalayan brown bear, wild Asiatic buffalo, desert fox and hornbill, etc. These are the different species of animals known as the rare species. So students, we have discussed about the different species of different categories of species of flora and fauna. Students, as by the different list you can understand that most of the flora and fauna, they are in the list of endangered, vulnerable or extinct. So students, as I have told you, they are very much they are very much important for our ecosystem and for our survival. They are very much important because they are the part of this natural resource, and we cannot live without these animals and vegetation. So we need to protect them. They are depleting, they are decreasing day by day, so we need to protect them. We must also understand why they are depleting, why they are decreasing, and some of them are finishing from the different part of the earth. So let us study about the reason for the depletion of flora and fauna. It is mentioned in your book, page number 25. So we are going to discuss next the depletion for the flora and fauna.